Hello everyone and welcome back to Management in Minutes. In our previous videos, we explored how managers plan work and organize it by creating a proper structure. But here is the truth. A well-planned structure means nothing if the people inside don't work well together. So, what really means an organization succeed? It's the way people think, feel and behave at work. And that's exactly what we are beginning today. Welcome to our new series on organizational behavior. In every organization, people behave differently. Some work fast, some work slow. Some teams perform amazingly while others struggle. Have you ever wondered why? Organizational behavior helps us understand exactly that. Why people behave the way they do at work. Why do some groups succeed while other groups fail? Why does the same person perform well in one company but not in another? OB helps us find the answers to these everyday workplace questions. To understand OB, we start with the word organization. Humans cannot live or work alone. We come together from groups and work for a common goal. An organization is simply people working together. History proves the power of organized effort. To construct the Great Wall of China, thousands of people worked together. And to build a single pyramid, it took nearly 1 lakh workers working for 20 years. These are examples of what people can achieve as an organization. Now the second part, behavior. Behavior means the way a person acts, and there is a key point. No two individuals behave the same way. Each person has a different personality, background, attitude and the way of responding. So if you combine both words, organizational behavior equal to understanding people plus understanding workplaces. That's it. If you can understand these two, managing people becomes much easier. Managers who understand OB can motivate employees better, improve teamwork, communicate more clearly, reduce conflicts, build a positive work environment, increase productivity. OB makes management smarter. Look at leaders like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Shantanu Narayan, Ajay Banga. Of course they are skilled, but their real strength is understanding people, emotions, teamwork and culture. That's organizational behavior in action. The main objectives of OB are improve job satisfaction, find and retain the right people, build good teams, develop leaders, strengthen organizational culture, reduce conflicts, increases performance. In simple words, OB helps organizations bring out the best in people. In today's world, with hybrid work, technology and fast-changing workplaces, understanding people is more important than ever. Organizational behavior gives managers the tools to handle modern work challenges. So remember, organization equal to people working together. Behavior equal to how people act. OB equal to understanding both. This is the foundation of everything we will learn in this series. Thank you for watching. This is just the introduction. Many interesting topics are coming next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Management in Minutes for more simple management lessons.